Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, it's not going to be about my 2022 BRZ. It's actually going to be about this 2016 Honda Civic. There's an issue that my girlfriend's having where she clicks on this for the side camera, or she lifts it, and the side camera isn't turning on, or it's not working, and then the screen goes black. So I just want to show you guys, for anybody that owns a Civic or even an Accord, how to solve the issue. I'm gonna show you guys a couple ways, a lot of different ways that people have done it, and I'm just gonna show you guys. And hopefully these work for you guys. And as always, it's for demonstration purposes only, entertainment purposes. You guys are gonna do this at your own discretion. So one possible fix is pressing the audio button 3 times and then restarting the vehicle. One way of trying to solve this issue is just holding the audio button until it resets. Do you want to reboot? Yes. And then it's just gonna reboot it. So I just give it some time. Forward to, oh, never mind. It's a little bit quicker than I thought. And as we're waiting, I guess, guys, I just want to plug it in there. If you guys find these videos helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out the channel out a lot. I know I mostly do a lot of other car stuff, but just to show some support that I actually helped you guys out, please just subscribe. You guys don't even have to watch the videos. Okay, so there you go. In case you had a black screen, it would be working, and that works. We're gonna be actually popping the trunk. I mean, not the trunk, the hood. And wow, this car really does need a wash from the inside. We're gonna actually be popping up the fuse box and looking for fuse 19. Before you do that, it's always good to check your battery. Don't really know how old this battery is, but usually batteries only last 3 to 5 years. And I think this one's kind of coming to its age too. So that's the most expensive part, is replacing the battery. But all these little things are good ways of trying to find the issue, and if none of that works, replacing the battery, even replacing the alternator. But at those points, those are the most expensive ones. So let's look for fuse 19. So fuse 19 is right there. It's a 15 amp, so let's look for that. So right there's a 10, right there's a 15, and if you look at it from top to bottom, right there's a 10, right there's a 15. And if nobody has ever touched this, you should have some extra ones: 5, 10, 15, 20, and 30. So we're gonna be using this 15 one, and as always, it's good to go to your local automotive store or Amazon just to replace this for the backup. But let's inspect it real quick. Your car comes with one of these, so let's use it. It's kind of like pliers. They're basically like pliers for you girls. It's like that thing you use to take off hair. So it doesn't really look burnt to me. It actually looks like it's working pretty good. And the good thing about these is they have the LEDs. The good thing about these is they have the LEDs, so when it pops out, it shows you which one's not working properly. Okay, since it doesn't look damaged, I'm just gonna put it back in. But if it did look damaged, it'll be all burnt up. And the third thing that you guys could do, that I really don't recommend it, is putting your foot on the brake, pressing the ignition, and then grabbing the shifter and putting it in neutral as fast as you can. I really don't know how it works. That's some wizard stuff, some magical stuff, but put in your brake. So let me just repeat it one more time. You would put your foot on the brake, you would press the ignition, and then you would put the shifter to neutral as fast as possible. That's like a cheat code. It will pretty much reset the system, and then it would just reboot itself. It works for some people. That one, I'm just gonna put it out there. I don't really recommend it, but if worst comes to worst and you want to try that tactic, you could, but I wouldn't really do it. But hey, I mean, if it works, right? So those are just 3 ways of really going about this situation. If your screen's dark, not turning on, please comment down below if it works for you guys, if it doesn't. And that's one way of actually like fixing the camera too. So either letting it sit, trying to reboot it with the audio, checking the fuse, doing that shifter method, and obviously the final one is just replacing the battery and making sure the alternator is good and charging everything. So yeah, let me know if it helps you guys. Comment down below, and as always guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and good vibes all around.